Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CryptoTax softwares. First one is Koinly and the second one is CryptoTax. We will go through some pros and cons. I'll tell you more about these two products. We'll compare the pricing plans, and at the end we'll try to find out which one is better, at least from my point of view. So let's start away with Koinly. Koinly is a CryptoTax software offering reliable and simple services. It is available across 20 or more countries and helps users by calculating their cryptocurrency taxes and reducing them. The platform simplifies taxes in 3 easy steps. Users need to add their exchange accounts via CSV or API files and get their blockchain wallets connected through public addresses. They are offered a glimpse of the exact profit or loss earned by Koinly. Lastly, individuals can download detailed tax reports curated by the software. Inbuilt portfolio tracking feature helps them gain a comprehensive view of their total holdings, besides providing a detailed view of growth and ROI over time. Koinly also helps users detect absurd transactions using tools and functionalities like double entry ledger system, auto import verification, missing transactions, and duplicate handling by mechanism. Other supported features include compatibility with 50 blockchains, 350 exchanges, 50 wallets, more than 17,000 cryptocurrencies, and historical data or 6+ crypto prices. So all of that you can do online, and you can either be business or company or enterprise, freelancer, individual. It's completely up to you how you are handling your cryptocurrency. The Koinly can help you in every way. When we check the prices, should be like there in the pricing lists, you see we have a free option here that I already started, but all I have to do is add a wallet, for example at Coinbase, and then auto add your Coinbase account, which is very easy. Then you have 10,000 transactions, wallet exchange unlimited, portfolio tracking, but you don't have the tax reports. Form 8949, Schedule D, international tax, comprehensive audit report, and stuff like that. All the nice things you get by newbie option of newbie bundle. You have 100 transactions, and also you get all the tax reports. Basically, everything of that is supported, or all those features are there for you. Only thing that's changing with expensiveness is transactions. For 99 per tax year, you have 1,000 transactions, and by a trader $179, you have 3,000 or 10,000 or more for 279 transactions. But for that you really have to be like a big player in this type of industry. You can request a quote, and also they're offering you with the top amount, like this trader option, email support. We can check the exchanges, what they can do for you, all integrations, exchanges, and wallets. Those are all the wallets that you can integrate into your Koinly account and trade it in between. But let's talk about CryptoTax. CryptoTax software is a platform used to import trades, calculate gains, and prepare your tax report in minutes. Calculate your tax liability and pay the correct amount. The tax report includes the following documents: cryptocurrency income report, IRS form 8949, audit trail report, TurboTax online direct report, and more. Small, medium, and large companies make use of this software as well as freelancers. Well, we want to check the pricing because they are pretty much on the same level, but I really like Koinly better. I'm gonna say it straight away. When we are gonna check the pricing list, you see that you can get 14 days free trial or money back guarantee. We have a hobbyist, it's $49 and 100 trades. Good thing about this is that all the features are straight away unlocked, and same as at Koinly, you are just paying more for the number of trades that you want to go through or you want to establish. So 99 per 1,500 trades. So that's kind of, it's more expensive. And then unlimited, you have unlimited trades for 299, which is basically almost like the Pro. Which is almost like a Pro at Koinly. It's those two products are very similar. You can also you can also check the wallets, but that's the difference. They are only supporting 3, 5, 8 wallets, and also exchanges. So you can easily do taxes to Trezor, Exodus, Ebra, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, MyEther Wallet, Jackson Ledger. And Koinly is way wider, but they're providing basically the same material, same stuff. So it's completely up to you which one you pick. I would go with Koinly all the way. It's basically, maybe it's a little bit more expensive, but if you are making that amount of transactions you are doing, you can afford it. So it's completely, I mean, it's up to you. But I would go with the free trials and find out which one UI you fancy more. And also, if you have any questions, please leave them underneath this video. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see you at the other one. Have a great day.